Hey y'all, it's Alex from You Should Craft, and today I'll show you another way to join your yarn. This is called the magic knot, and it is essentially a square knot that you just pull really tight and then trim the ends off of, but I will show you how to do it. So in order to do this, you will need two different strands of yarn. One of them is most likely still attached to your project. And then the other one, you could be joining a new color or a new ball of yarn if you're working on something big, or, if you just ran out. And then you also need scissors. So I've got my two colors of yarn. It doesn't necessarily have to be with two colors, but it's a lot easier to show y'all what to do if we use two. So set out your two colors of yarn. Kind of like this. Take the bottom color or strand and put it over the other and then under it. And you're going to pull it through, which will make like a little pretzel shape, and then pull it super tight. So now we're pretty much going to do the same thing on the other side, but now we'll wrap this top blue strand around the bottom purple strand. So go over and under to create like a loop, and then pull it through, and again it kind of looks like a little pretzel. And then pull it super tight. And here's our magic part. So take both strands and just pull it tight, and you'll see your knots slide to the center. And again, make sure they're really tight. Sometimes when you're like scooting them down, they can loosen up a little bit, but pull it super tight. But now you have this weird like bunny ears situation happening. So take your scissors and trim your yarn super close to that knot, like as close as you can get without breaking the knot. And trim both sides. Oops, I didn't get all the way through. Then pull it really tight again, and there is your magic knot. So you can use this with any type of yarn, even yarns that are all like one piece. But that's it. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to the You Should Craft channel and check out my blog for more free patterns and tutorials.